Beach Breeze Sanur. Coming to Beach Breeze for a drink and eat dinner, lunch. We have good food and good stuff. We have a free smile, happy,
and you dance.
And dance. We have a sexy dance also, and we have also live music or start for Tuesday and Saturday.
Oh yeah.
Happy, coming, enjoy and dance together, sing together.
You're not open for breakfast?
I'm not open for breakfast. No.
You're too tired.
Yeah.
Gotta sleep in.
Yes. Okay. Thank you.
Lovely to meet you.
Okay. Bye bye. Thank you for coming. Bye.
It's a location of Warung Beach Breeze, right opposite Sudamala Resort, which is over there, which was playing some quite loud music. And there we have the beach bar sign. Beach Breeze, I should say, Beach Breeze sign. And the inside, it's all very rock and roll. Beatles up there, Stones are on the other side. And right on the intersection, Sudamala and Jl, Cemara. And you can't miss it, it's right on the corner.
Gotta add a little bit.
This was usually a fairly busy place, but most of the crowd has disappeared tonight. They've got a range of Balinese cocktails, which is a rack. Over here on the menu board, it's a fairly simple menu. Indonesian, pork and chicken, beef and shrimp, and a whole load of drinks, and salads, fruit salads, hot dog buns, burgers and baguettes. Lunch poured out the front. The usual suspects you'll find. And colourful interior. And up here we've got a list of mocktails, dessert, Indonesian desserts. Over here we have the fish steaks, mahi-mahi and tuna, and over there is squids through to chicken, and pork and tofu dishes. And the big sign there, cash only. Now I had heard that this place and Warung Little Bird were under the same management, and I think to some degree you can tell the interior design is very similar. And good old Bob Marley, he gets around, he's he's on the wall of both at least, so maybe it was owned by the estate of the late Bob Marley. Fried tuna with rice and sambal mata with steamed vegetables and rice, and that is a thick piece of steak, cooked medium. And Mark,
It's not a piece of steak.
no, it's a thick piece of tuna steak.
Yeah.
Where's yours?
Zippity-doo-dah once again, and all I'm having is a baguette with ham, cheese and tomato. I don't know, I just can't
And
wait.
where are you tonight?
We are at Beach Breeze, Warung Beach Breeze in Sanur, and it's just across the road from, is it Sudamala Resort?
Sudamala
Yeah.
is just behind us, behind me.
Yeah, behind you, and it's been very highly recommended, and every single time we've been past here, it's been packed out. So we think it must be good, so we thought we'd give it a try. It's just a couple of doors down from Bella Italia, where we've been before, and we saw
We said hello to Giorgio.
at the door. And we're thinking we might call in there after here and have a affogato or a limoncello or something else for dessert.
Something nice, just in case.
Yeah. So I've got a frozen strawberry daiquiri that is not frozen anymore.
Yeah.
But
It's Bali.
that's right.
That's
And when it arrived, it was all spilt everywhere in the saucer. I did not do that. So please excuse this mess. And I'll let you know if my dinner ever comes.
And is it busy in here tonight?
It's quite busy, but there's a few spare tables, so it's not absolutely... We thought maybe we wouldn't even get in because every time we've passed it, it's been full. So we're assuming Sanur is just not quite as busy as normal at this time of year.
No. even
Giorgio said it was a bit quieter.
though There are a lot of touristy people walking
there's
around.
a lot of people walking around.
But
My
it doesn't-
dinner has arrived, and it is not really a baguette. It's a hot dog roll, and it's been toasted, so it's quite hard and crunchy.
It's okay, darling.
Yeah,
It's okay.
yeah,
And
good.
yes.
Ham, cheese, and tomato, and they've whacked on a bit of lettuce as well. And I get a couple of free toothpicks.
Oh, great.
Yeah, so I'll hoe in, and it looks nice, so we'll give it a go. And now I can't get my sticks back in. Well, I've had my baguette / hot dog roll, and it was very crunchy, crispy, and it had lettuce, tomato, cheese, ham, and some kind of mayo. And we had sort of a late lunch, so I wasn't really very hungry. And it was delicious. It was really nice, exactly what I wanted. And I had a frozen strawberry daiquiri, and so I'm happy enough. Derek, I'm not so sure. Let me check with him about his dinner. Derek, how was your dinner?
Yes,
your
mate.
tuna?
My tuna was interesting, to say the least. It came with a sambal mata, which, as we all know, is onion, shallots and chili. There was a very small portion of that, and it really didn't cover any of, or I should say, it didn't cover much of the dish, so there wasn't a real great deal of heat that I like. And the rice was okay. There was a lot of rice.
And you've never had tuna before,
I've
have
never
you?
had a tuna steak before, no, and I don't think I ever will.
Again.
Again, no. Mark had a really good one, and I had a
Yeah.
taste of that once on one of the beachside restaurants, and I thought, oh well, you know, that was pretty good, so I'll try this one. And I think I made the wrong decision. It was very thick, and it split up okay, but it was a bit it was cooked medium, and they asked you how you like it cooked, and it's sort of like a steak. And I had two options given to me, medium or well done, nothing else. And so I said, oh, no, medium at least.
And it was grilled, not
It
barbecued.
was grilled, it wasn't barbecued, no. And I found it a little bit on the dry side. I had to, and I don't normally drink at the same time as I'm eating. I had to, luckily I had a bintang handy. And but the veggie part of it, the bamboo shoots and all of that sort of saved it a little bit. I've got to say, that added a little bit of freshness and crispness and moisture to it, but I'll never do it again. But the hostess is lovely.
How good is
She's
she?
lovely.
She's lovely.
And she's out on the street. She's drumming up business as hard as she can. Everyone that walks past here is being asked, you know, how are you?
And she dances.
And she dances as well, you know. And
She's lovely.
doing everything she can to attract customers in. And we're not going to bag it to say that don't come in here, but I just made the wrong selection, I think.
Yeah.
So
yeah, nothing wrong with the place. You just didn't get what you
that's
like.
right. That's right. Marg enjoyed hers, and as we saw before, it's a pretty simple menu, and you know, the specials board is probably where it all happens. But, you know, even then I think it's a little bit limited in its choices. But, you know, it might appeal to a lot of people. The tuna just didn't appeal to me. I should have gone with the mahi-mahi, which I'm very familiar with in Bali as a nice, thick, tasty piece of fish. But on this occasion, I've just made the wrong choice with the
Okay,
tuna.
we get
you know,
the
all right,
message.
okay, enough of tuna.
That's enough.